welcome everybody. I'm Deidre.
I'm Darius.
We're Nice Treks. We're here at Universal Orlando Resorts. We're heading into Islands of Adventure. Here's what you've missed so far. We're on a spooky staycation, a spookation if you will. And we are staying at Cabana Bay, so we're gonna do the Chucky Experience. We're going to Halloween Horror Nights on Halloween. We might do something fun tomorrow. I think that's a different video though. Today, we have been to Volcano Bay. We've been to Hard Rock for some dinner. We're heading into Islands of Adventure now. We're gonna go back to Cabana Bay and I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Oh, the Chucky Experience.
The Chucky Experience today?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, they're open until 10 p.m. You have to be staying at a Universal Orlando Resort Hotel to be able to get in. We've had a great day. Here's a little look at that, and then we will see you inside at Islands of Adventure. And come spend the rest of the day with us. Let's go have some fun.
Let's do this. What is happening here? Are you ready?
My shoulders are wet. My shoulders are hot, but I can't just go under to get them wet because this is so dry. And it's gonna be too cold.
We found it. We found the hot spot in the water.
There's a vent right here.
Wait, no. The sun is going away and the wind is picking up.
Oh.
Gets a little chilly.
Oh.
We're about to stay in the water to stay warm.
After being at Typhoon Lagoon, these waves seem like baby waves.
Yeah, I don't.
It's still fun, but
I think there might be something wrong with the pressure because last time we were here, it was much bigger than this.
we're about to find out.
We're gonna find out. Do 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 do. Oh, here's the waves. All right, these feel a little bigger. These actually feel a little bigger.
They're a little bigger?
It's starting to feel a little bigger to me.
No, we're just a little deeper.
Oh, well, there we go.
It's like a kiddie ride.
All right, we got our beautiful tiki rum punch.
Look how pretty this is. Bartender Chris said that this is the retirement home for dueling dragons. And that's his favorite house this year over at Halloween Horror Nights since he works here. So.
What a coinky dink, huh? How's it hanging? You got a flower? Uh-oh, we're about to get wet by the kids. I know, right? You gonna get it.
You gonna get it.
You gonna get it.
You gonna get it. Oh my God, I'm
Dizzy. Alrighty, we transported it over to Universal Orlando Resort. We're gonna be heading
We were
over.
already on Universal Orlando Resort.
I said we transported to Universal Orlando Resort.
But we were already on it at Cabana Bay.
Nope, I kind of counts it says Universal Orlando Resort. The other is just Lowe's Hotel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna be heading over to Islands of Adventure to ride the Incredible Hulk and grab some food because we're also hungry. All right, we made it over to Hard Rock. And what'd you get to eat?
Bruschetta and green beans.
And I'm trying out the messy chicken sandwich. All right, we made it to the table or bar. I got my messy chicken sandwich. Oh, that was pretty good. Made for you by Leo Messi.
Did he really make it though?
I mean...
Have him come out here. I want to talk to him.
And then you got some bruschetta.
Yeah, it's good.
And then you got some green beans on the way.
So there is new photo validation here at Islands of Adventure. Are they implementing it at every single one? I'm not sure. Let's find out. And then you look at the camera. And it's hard because you can't look at yourself. You gotta look at the camera.
You're good.
All right. Yeah, it's just like a Face ID with an iPhone.
Huh?
It's a Face ID like with your iPhone.
Oh.
Yeah. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And now I don't have to touch anything and get my fingers all germy.
I like the Jeremy fingers.
You like germy fingers better?
Yeah. It was like a click, boom.
Well, so this was your first time. They had to capture your picture in the system.
So, but didn't you
Next
just
time
have to
it'll
do
be
it though?
Well, yeah, I did it too, but this is my second time because I came last night. So,
Huh. Okay.
yeah.
So basically all you gotta do is walk up and smile and then it's just walk in.
You can smile. It's just important to look into the lens of the camera and not at yourself.
Well, they said smile, so
Oh,
no.
I guess.
And next time I'll be like,
It's Grinchmas already. Yeah, celebration doesn't start for another, like, what, 10, 15 days? Yeah.
was that lit up last time?
No, last year these trees were not working a lot. So it's good to see that they're working now. This Christmas stuff is ruining our spookation. Hurry, we gotta make it to the All Hallows Eve boutique to save the spookation.
The spookation.
The spookationing.
Spookationing.
Back at Cabana Bay. Let's go do the Chucky Exprience.
Let's go!
Alright, the Twisted Playground is right above Bayliner Diner on the second floor. And you must have a hotel room key to go in. It's basically a photo op, but it's really fun.
He's running for your lives.
Alright, so you get on the floor and you lay down like that, and it looks like he pushed you off the building.
So like this.
Oh, you get in the cage. Yeah, I want to get in the cage.
Alright.
Yeah, right over there.
Oh, he's out of the box.
Oh no. He broke out of the box. There's bloody fingerprints.
Look out, Washington. Check the making sense.
Friends till the end.
Look out, Washington. Check the
That's the exit, man.
Yeah, that's the exit. Oh my gosh. There's like a mirror room. Oh. Oh my god. This place is so cool at night. We're heading back to the room to go watch the fireworks because we have a really good view of Epcot and Magic Kingdom.
Madison, but in the daytime, you know,
Oh yes, the Weather Channel. My secret guilty pleasure. Not a secret anymore. Anyway, this is our view. It is lovely. I love it so much.
and the lakeshore.
It's
east
so
of
beautiful.
Chicago with that
And
clear,
this
always
is
flow that
the
continues
view.
from the lake, affects snow, Lansing getting in
You see
on
that little blue
snow,
dot
and
right
Cleveland, and not to mention the cold front
there?
here in
That's
the South,
Epcot.
Chris.
There we go.
You were asleep.
I was not.
We waited an hour for fireworks and you fell asleep.
I did not. I did not. I was up.
But now you're hungry, so let's go get some pizza.
Just do this
Wait,
thing.
you sound tired.
You're tired.
It's so foggy out. That's so cool.
This is a clear window.
Yeah, why is this one? Those two are foggy, but this one's not foggy?
What's up, dog?
It is so foggy.
Oh man, you can see the sun, but
Wow.
Harry Potter, where you at?
I feel like Dementor's gonna come swooping in at any second. It is the morning. Good morning. And we're gonna head to Spirit Halloween since they're probably gonna close tomorrow. Today is Halloween. So let's go see what we can find at Spirit. It's only open for 3 more days. But we are a day early for the sale. That doesn't start until tomorrow. But tomorrow, 50% off. I love this. I've always loved the Addams Family. I think Morticia and Gomez are so, like, couple goals, you know? It is definitely slim pickings in here. That's to be expected.
Actually comfortable.
Oh, that is comfy.
It just fit right on my head. That was great.
That's
I like
pretty
that.
cool.
I might actually just hold on to this one.
Put that one on. I just want to see that one on you. I know it's colorful, but
you know it's colorful. Let's see.
you've got too many hats in the hand.
I got too many hats, but I am the hat guy.
Here,
There we go.
let me hold this. Nah, this one better.
What you got there?
There is the
Steampunk glasses. And they're really cool.
This one was.
Are they comfortable?
They are. And then this right here folds so you can close it.
Okay.
Great start to our spookation, spooky staycation. We are gonna head back to the hotel, take a shower, put on some makeup, maybe a wig, some nails, and get ready for Halloween Horror Nights. Thanks for trekking along with us. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, and share with your friends. And if you really, really liked us, consider becoming a monthly subscriber with that monthly subscription. We appreciate all of our channel members right now that we have. Cool peeps. And we'd love for you to be in on that. So we'll see you real soon. Bye. Bonus content.
Oh, y'all didn't know I had hair this whole time? Why do you think I've been like, this has been me? This has been me this whole time.